Guys, Raymond here with another video, and we're going to be doing our second stock market analysis for the day. So the US and Canadian markets have just opened 14 minutes ago, Greenwich Mean Time, and we're going to be trying to find some stocks at a bargain price. So what we do in these videos, the stock market analysis videos, is we look at the top winners section and the top losers section, which is provided on the trading app called Trading 212. And when we look at the top winners, we're not looking specifically to find anything. We're just trying to accustom ourselves to analyzing price fluctuations and how price fluctuations impact. How price fluctuations are indiscriminate of the size of the stock. So any company is vulnerable to price fluctuations, especially large amounts of price fluctuations. Then we look at the top losers, which is where the section we're really interested in, to see if we can find any bargain prices for stocks that are of really good value, specifically that have good great financials. And we try to find stocks that have great financials, a great track record, and are large, and that we can invest some capital in. So without further ado, let's get into the top winners. We're going to be very fast as usual with the top winners because, as I said earlier, we're not looking to find anything. But if we do, then we're lucky. So this stock has gone up by 104% today, which is really good. But we're looking for stocks that have a market cap of at least 1 billion, which is quite the landmark, quite the benchmark to reach. But it kind of saves ourselves from too much risk. I know this one's has been delisted, right? Yeah, this stock's been delisted. Sorry for the background noise. There's some construction going on with the neighbors. So this has a market cap, Domino's Pizza Enterprises, 6.02 billion, and for the year it's decreased by 37.35%. PE ratio is 35, which is not bad actually. Revenue 2.49% dividend yield, which is not bad either. Revenue of 2.2 billion, which is about 33% of the market cap selling price. Let's check the profit margins. Profit margins are okay, steady growth over the past 3 financial years. The debt is quite high, which I'm not happy with, and the cash flow statement is where all the meat, most of the meat is. So we're going to check the bottom line, which is, so they've managed to lose 1.97 billion in cash by the end of the last financial year, which is not entirely bad. We have to see why it's lost that much. 1.63 billion in the previous financial year and 1.35. So 3 consecutive years it's been negative in net change of cash. Let's check the reason why. So overall, it's been a variety of reasons. Dividends paid, investment activities. So I guess they're meeting their obligations, paying debt, paying interest, capital expenditures, tax paid, interest paid, working capital. So it's just overall. But I guess maybe they're not generating enough cash to be able to have a surplus in cash, which isn't, I guess, overall not the greatest. But in general, they're making a good net income. But ultimately, it comes down to the bottom line of the cash flow statement and not necessarily the bottom line of the income statement. So I would definitely avoid this company. But then again, it has decreased in price by 37% for the year. So I'll definitely take it into consideration, considering the price drop. So let's continue our search. Once again, sorry for the background noise if you guys can hear that, the drilling. But okay, let's go into the top losers now, where we're expected to find most of this stuff. So the time in which we're making this video is kind of like is in between so the time that we're making this video is actually optimal because all of the markets are open at this time, 2 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time. So we're gonna see a lot of stocks in this at this particular time because all the markets are open. So Oops, I accidentally closed the app. Okay. I'll be surprised. Actually, wait. That's pretty much everything, which is actually quite shocking because it's supposed to. Well, I guess it's because it's quite early in the. I mean, the US and Canadian markets only opened 19 minutes ago, so I guess that's probably why there aren't many US or Canadian stocks here. But I mean, we had to do it. We had to do the video at some point. But I mean, we found at least one, which was the Domino's Pizzas Enterprises, which I think is not too bad an investment. But apart from that, that is all we found. But I think we're going to be doing this daily. Today is going to be the last day of the week. So Saturdays and Sundays we will not be doing any stock market analyses, but we will be doing financial statement analyses, which is my favorite personally because I love analyzing financial statements because you always learn something new and become more efficient at understanding how companies work. But without further ado, I will see you in the next one, which will be a financial statement analysis. Saturday and Sunday will also be financial statement analyses, and Monday we will be returning to our stock market analyses and ending on Friday. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Any comments, please post them in the comment section. Don't hold back with regards to comments. I will read everything and take your information on board and change accordingly. Thank you for watching again. Peace.